Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, the channel all about trading, analysis tools, markets and the philosophy of trading. Today we're going to break down an interesting indicator, super trend. I'll show you exactly how it works in a live session using the line chart. Hope it's useful, and you know what else is useful? My Telegram channel, especially the private one. Every day I post trading sessions, reviews, discussions and much more. Subscribe, like this video and make sure to watch it till the end. There's a surprise waiting for you. Let's dive into super trend. Let's go. Let's open our terminal, our favorite one for chart analysis. Now that it's open, let's go to indicators and add super trend. What do we see? Uptrends, downtrends and entry signals. So super trend doesn't just show you the direction, it gives actual buy and sell signals. But can we trust them blindly? You see a sell, enter sell, see a buy, go buy? Of course not. If it were that easy, we'd all be rich. Be careful during range markets. The market isn't always trending like it is here. You see, most of the time it's just moving sideways like this. When you see too many signals from super trend, buy, sell, that's usually a bad sign. So today we're trading on the 1 minute time frame and I will adjust super trend settings to these time frame settings. I will add 8 and 2, my favorite for 1 minute. You will notice more noise now. We will avoid those fake signals. Let's find something promising. Alright, here we go. We see a sell signal. Then let's open our first practical trade. So we just practiced today. The indicators shows a clear downtrend. Of course, no indicators is perfect, guys. Remember this. Even good ones won't give you 100% win rate. We will talk more after this trade about another tool to improve our super trend. Again, no indicator is perfect. I say this in almost every video. That's why we sometimes use martingale multipliers or other money management strategies. As you can see, first trade was a win. That's great. I will enter it with the trend and at the right time. So remember this pattern. Now it looks like this pair is entering a ranging phase, just like here. So now I want to filter it further. Let's add the EMA. Our favorite simple trend filter. Let me just add the settings. I will make it white and for 1 minute period will be 18. You can try with 20 as well. Here's the logic. If you see a sell signal and the price is below EMA, enter. If you see a buy signal and price is above EMA, enter. Otherwise, skip that trade. This is a second rule. Range market first, avoid, and this one with EMA. This is a special trick which will make super trend more effective. Like here, see, sell signal plus price below EMA is great entry. Just make sure you're not in a range market, of course. It will confuse both indicators. For example, here, a buy signal could be working, but this frequent trend switching is suspicious. So let's find something better. Sell signal. Now, but price is inside a messy range. I'm waiting for a clean new trend. Like here. Let's try here a sell signal again. Here not. Here we will not try. It's buy, but it was too long. And sell. I like it more. Yes, let's wait. Let's wait a bit. When price will be in the right place. As I can say. Okay, just remember this moment. As you can see, we open sell position. Sell signal, fresh one from Supertrend, and we'll see confirmation from EMA. Yes, price is dropping steadily. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. As you can see, yes, again, I will show you where is the range market, what we're not touching. Here is the uptrend, here's the downtrend. This is the logic. Boom, and this is a clear trade. As you can see, a good example. Remember patterns like this. What's happened next? Likely more range. Let's keep watching. Look on this pair, we'll see more range now. And we will skip this one. Well, just check again how it is forming. Well, now let's switch to another pair for better opportunities. Maybe we'll find another example. I hope that this is enough actually in this video I explain you. But maybe we will find another example. Like here, for example. You see, I opened the trade in right place by signal of super trend. Of course, also can be messy, but it's looking good now. But even if the trade going not well, just check. Maybe you just in the range market. Just change the pair. Just use martingale if you feel comfortable with this. If you see that this pair not working, just skip it. Look for a clear entry points. Well, as you can see, this is also great example how these indicators works. I think we can do another practice with these indicators, but on live session on my Telegram channel. For today, maybe it's enough information because I didn't see too much pairs. I think the live session is always better. Guys, practice, because practice makes you perfect. I hope this video was helpful to you, and don't forget to put your like. Well guys, even with strong tools like Supertrend and EMA, nothing is 100% guaranteed. Ranging markets, noise and fake signals are always out there, but with practice and discipline you can filter the noise and trade smarter. If you found this session helpful, smash this like button, subscribe and join my Telegram channel for daily insights, real-time trades and live strategies. The link is in the pinned comment as usual, and if you're ready to trade smarter with a legal boost, use my promo code Dawit when making a deposit to get a 50% bonus on pocket option. It's a great way to test your skills with extra capital. If you need 60%, message me on my Telegram personally. Hope this video was good for you, and as usual, stay sharp, trade smart and enjoy your life. See you in the next one. Peace.